జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. విష్ణుపాద అచ్యుతాం దివ్యాం అపాపాం పాపనాశినీం. ద గంగమ్మ తల్లి which came down, which is released from the divine lotus-like feet of Sri Mahavishnu. Such Gangamma Talli is being enjoyed by Ramachandra Swami there. Gangamma Talli is, there is no sin in Ganga. Even then, there are so many sins with someone. The moment he takes or she takes a dip in Ganga, all the sins will be completely washed off. Such powerful, such sinless, such pure Gangamma Talli is being enjoyed by Sri Ramachandra Swami. Bhagiratha, the one who has so much glow, he is the one who brought Gangamma Talli to the earth. Such Gangamma Talli is being enjoyed by Ramabhadra Swami. Shankara Jatajutat, Gangamma Talli came down in a beautiful stream from divine Jatajutam of Paramasiva. Such Gangamma Talli is being enjoyed by Sri Ramachandra Swami. Ramachandra Swami, they all reached the banks, which is the place known as Srungiberapuram, which is also ruled by one of the barbarian called as Nishadaraju Guha. So Guha came to know that Rama came there along with Sitamma and Lakshmana. Guha learned that, Guha came to know that, then immediately Guha, along with all his entourage, he came down to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Guha has seen Rama. Guha is realizing Rama is in Naravastras. Guha, with all of his emotions and with all of his love and affection towards Sri Ramachandra Swami, came down to Rama and gave a big hug to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Guha is saying that, Rama, yadha Ayodhya tadhaiyam te Rama. Just think that this kingdom also is like Ayodhya for you. It is no different from Ayodhya. Kim karavanite, do not hesitate. I am at your service all the time. Please make me the best use, make the best use of me. Oh Rama, I am at your service. Oh Rama, so much I am blessed. I am fortunate to have you, such great man, as a guest to me. Swagatante Mahabaho Taveyam Akhila Mahi. Oh Rama, I am giving you the most beautiful, warmth and heartfelt welcome to you. Rama, not only this Srungiberapuram, this entire Bhumi, entire earth is your property, Rama. Bhavan Bharta, you are the one master of this entire earth. You are the one who is the master of this entire universe. Oh Rama, we all want to be under your ruling. Please rule us. Please take care of us. Like that, Guha, it probably seems like Guha realized the supremacy of Ramachandra Swami and giving all of his emotional devotion towards Sri Ramachandra Swami. Guha is now talking to Sri Ramachandra Swami and asking, Oh Rama, I am so blessed and very happy to see you. Rama, I arranged everything for you. Bhakshyam, bhojyancha, peyancha, lekhyancha, idam upasthitam, sayanani cha, mukhyani. Oh Rama, I arranged all kind of vegetables, all varieties of meals, all varieties of drinks, all varieties of sweet, all the food. Oh Rama, I made everything ready for you. Please go ahead and enjoy all of them. Then Rama is saying that, Oh Guha, padbhyam abhigamachaiva sneha sandarsanena cha. You came down to us. When you heard that we are coming here, You came on your walk to receive us and gave us very warm welcome, O Guha. That itself is enough for me, Guha. I am feeling so much content having you coming and giving such wonderful welcome to us. Bhujabhyam, sadhupinabhyam, like that when Rama is moving to so much emotional feelings to while looking at Guha, and took Guha very close to him and gave him a very tight hug. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. ఓ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, ఐ షల్ డూ యాజ్ యూ సే, ఐ షల్ బిహేవ్ యాజ్ యూ లైక్, ఐ షల్ కీప్ ఆన్ వర్కింగ్ ఫర్ యూ. కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.